Hello everyone and thank you for watching this video. My name is Vikram Shetty. I'm a director at 73bit. Today I'm going to talk about what we do at 73bit. By profession, I am a software programmer. I have a bachelor's and master's degree in IT. I've also worked in multiple programming languages like C Sharp, JavaScript, Node.js, and a little bit of Ruby. I've also worked with database languages like SQL Server. For past 5 years, I am running this business under the name of 73bit Limited. So in 73bit Limited, we animate your benchmarking and assessment process to a web app. Now, what do you mean by that? So there is a term for it, which is called as corporate benchmarking. So when I say corporate benchmarking, what our client do is the process that I'm going to explain you right now, and then I will let you know how we enable our client to do that work. So let's take an example of this corporate benchmarking. Pay gap benchmark for all the companies working in the finance industries. So the objective here is to calculate the pay difference between two genders. And then to keep this example simple, we will create a small questionnaire and collect the data from the companies. So what will be the questionnaire consist of? Total number of male employee, total number of female employee, total pay for all the male employee, total pay for all the female employee. We will only collect this 4 data point. Then what we will do is do some calculation. We will take an average income for per person for each gender, and then we will calculate the ratio between the per female employee's income versus the male employee's income. So that's your calculation part in the benchmarking. Our client will do is they will evaluate or sort or rank them from the most minimum gap ratio to the maximum. To furthermore, they could also do is publish this result online in a form of a dashboard or a physical PDF kind of a report where this ranking can be used by different stakeholders. Now, the reason I'm explaining you the entire process here is for explaining you the code. The benchmark is not about ranking. It's about discovering the best practices so that the laggers can be use the best practices of the leaders. Now I've simplified this whole process. There will be different pay gap at different seniority level, different pay gap for different uh, business functions, and so on and so forth, geography and things of like that. So it can be on a very large scale when you do such kind of analysis. But the simplistic form is the one which I showed you. And in this particular example, we are calculating the uh, the ratio of it. But in other cases, there could be other findings that you would be interested in looking into. So that's what a corporate benchmarking is. Now, what's our role in this particular thing? So a little bit of us. The company was founded in 2007. I was a part of it around 2015. And as I've explained you, there will be a flexible survey. So for the questionnaire that needs to be sent, the analysis, the averages, and the ranking that I've been told, and a flexible reporting. So all the differences. So till currently we have 17 clients. Last year alone, we have collected 40K data points. So in the example, I gave you 4 data points, but collectively we collect more than 40K data points. The number of countries use our platform is accessing around 140 countries, and a number of participants are 4K. So a particular company may have multiple locations, so they fill in their data from there. So that gives you an idea that a particular survey could be so complex. It's not only filled by different divisions, but also by different geography. Why are we different? So we work with team as an extended uh, team, and we give them our personal Skype IDs and things of that sort, and we are very prompt. Uh, Other thing is like we crowdsource feature, and when I say crowdsource feature, in 2019 alone we had around 1700 hours of free update, which is so a particular clients ask for it, or if we think that it is useful, we just develop it for free of for them and send it to or provide it to rest of the clients. We have operational services, which is like setting up all the surveys or all the calculation scorecard or feedback report, so that the client can more focus on the best practices or finding insights and working towards bridging the gap. So that's where we help them to do that. Yeah, so this is standard 3 point uh, feature that we have in the web, the data collection part, the analysis part, the feedback. Again, it's a repetition. You can read for yourself. I'll just scroll it down slowly so that you can pause and read it. Who are our client partners? Principal responsible investment, access to nutrition, textile exchange, PVFAW. Now, if you have seen, there is a pattern in our client. I- all of our clients are in the space of sustainability. That's why you must be seeing a lot of my posts related to sustainability, because in a way we are working towards sustainable development goals, but using a tool of benchmarking, so that once you rank all the companies, and if even if we are not publishing it to the world, but if the company knows what is the average score of a particular uh, indicator in their sector, in their geography, and what are the best practices that they are using, so they can learn and improve it towards the sustainability. So that's the reason it's a collaborative competitive approach. There is a competition between the companies, but then we all need to save the planet, and or rather we have to save ourselves to be eradicated from the planet. So that's the reason the sustainable development goal is a nice framework, and all the companies are working together to achieve that goal. Now that being said, this is what we do. This is what my role is in 73-bit. My current role also involve the sales and bringing in new clients. That's the reason I'm a bit all over the place about sustainability, corporate social responsibilities, uh, uh, because uh, because we work closely with the corporate benchmarking. So it's a very niche sub-segment, and as you have seen, we have currently 17 clients, and the the space in which we are, there may be around 50 to 100 clients only in the future, as of things I know. So I'm testing the waters, and that's the reason my content is all over the place. But in coming future, I will try to narrow it more to more benchmarking, dashboarding, the scoring methodologies in general, which are available in the public domain. Most of them are available in the public domain, and the way we calculate some of the benchmarks. And thank you very much for watching this video. This was purely about what we do, and to clear any confusion on uh, what you can expect from me as an help, uh, because I would definitely want to help the community, but I work in a very specific area, so I can do so much. Thank you again for watching this. Be safe. Take care. Bye bye.